Hello, this was shared with me so I can share it with you. And this is a portable shower. So you can take this to the beach to hose off your sandy feet, or you can take it to the mountains, go camping, use it in your backyard, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to get this open here and show you how it works. So they give you a little mesh bag. We'll do a little quick unboxing here. Mesh bag. We have, this is the holder. It has a suction cup so you can hang it in your shower or in the campsite shower. This here is the nozzle for the top of the hose. And then it comes with this hose. I'm going to come a little closer here. So there's your shower hose. And this is the shower head, and you just pull this part off, and then it's ready to screw onto the hose like this. And if you didn't want to use this, you can use, this is more like a hose handle. So you can take your pick of which head you want there. So we'll tighten this one up. We're going to use this one. And then put this in the box. Then this here should be our motor. So here is the motor then. It has a little B port in the bottom for a C. So that's how you'll charge it. It does have a battery. It is waterproof. It has a 5-volt input, battery 3.7, and power is 10 watts with a waterproof rating. It comes with a C cord. So we're going to put this into the pump here. And then this part has holes in it. So you're going to set this into water. You'll turn this on, and then it's going to pump the water. And it does have little suction cups. Okay, so you're going to just press this power button here. Press that right there, and it'll hold it down. It'll turn green. And then you're just going to set that base into the water. It has little suction cups there, so that works. And then you can just click. So there you have it. There's your shower. So you can, all you just need is a bucket of water or something like that, and then you can make it be a shower. It has the little suction that you can put on the top of your shower so that it can hold it while you shower. So check it out if you're looking for a little portable shower system. It has the little mesh bag. You can pack it all up and be on your way. There's a little flashlight there in the front. So if you're showering at night or you're walking around the campsite at night, you can see, and then you can turn that off there in the back. So really cute little setup there if you're going to go camping, or if you just need a nice spray to wash your dog in the backyard. Either way works. So check it out.